my children, in one of our previous classes we discussed about short E sound. Right, short E sound. See, I request you to open your textbook page number 18. Short E sound. See, read aloud the following sets of words. Circle the odd word in each set. We have done this activity, right? Red, bed, word, shed. Their word, W-A-D, word is odd one. Why? Because remaining words, shed, bed, and red, those words contains short E sound. Already I have explained you. Then neck, neck, pack, deck, peck. Here pack is odd one and neck, deck, peck. Those words contains short E sound. So, if you have any doubt in this, you can watch once again that video, short E sound video. Okay. See, here is an activity regarding short E sound in your workbook. I request you to open your workbook also, page number 8. Page number 8. See, there is an activity regarding short E sound. See, what is the activity? Read aloud the following words. Color the boxes with words that make the short E sound to help the mouse find the cheese. See here, mouse wants to find the cheese. See, mouse is here and cheese is here. It wants to find the cheese. So, what we have to do? We have to color the boxes with the words that makes a short E sound. Here in these boxes, there are some words with a short E sound. We have to color the words. We have to color the words which has short E sound. Those words we have to color. Then we can help the mouse to find the cheese. Okay, short E sound like, see, we have learned red, neck, shed, wet, met, pig, leg, beg. For example, here I said first column, you can see met, bat, fart, fate. Here the word met, M-E-T, met, had met. That word has short E sound. Remaining words doesn't have short E sound. So we can color the word met. We can color the word met. Like the same in track, lead, nest, bake, wake. Here lead has short E sound, right? Lead has short E sound. We can color the word lead. Why? Because it has short E sound, right? Like this. Which are the words contains short E sound? You can color those words. Okay. This is your homework. Color the words which has short E sound and help the mouse to find the cheese. This is your homework, page number 8. Workbook. Okay. Workbook, page number 8. Here is your homework. Spell and say short E sound. See, and we learned opposites, right? Page number 9. Workbook only, page number 9. See, opposites. Opposites in the sense, in previous class I said opposites in the sense the word which has the that word a word with a meaning that is completely different from the meaning of another word is called its opposite. That word will be the word meaning will be totally different from the another word, like hot, cold. See, we learnt in textbook hot, cold, hot tea, cold ice cream. Meaning totally different, right? Such kind of words we call opposite words. And here is in your workbook there is an activity regarding opposites. See what is that? Let us see. Select the opposite words of the underlined words in the sentence from the box and fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks by using those words which are given in the box. Okay. See, in each sentence there is an underlined word. The opposite of that underlined word we have to fill there. Okay. See, what is the first sentence? I am dash, but my grandfather is old. I am dash, but my grandfather is old. Old is underlined there. We have to find the opposite word of old. Opposite word of old. What is the opposite word of old? See, day, down, slow, long, poor, young, dry, thin, cold, small. Those words are given in the box. Old opposite young. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Old opposite young. We have to write here first answer young. Okay. This shirt is too dash for a big boy like me. Big is underlined there. Big. Big opposite small. Big opposite small. And see, the meaning of those words are totally different from another word, right? See, big. Big means that, right? Big one. And small. Opposite, big opposite small. In size it is small, right? Big opposite small. And please keep the books up and the shoes dash. Up opposite down. We know already, right? Up, down. Up opposite down. Next. I want a short dress. This is too dash. I want a short dress. This is too dash. Short opposite. Short opposite. What is given there? Short, long. Short, long. Short opposite long. Right. Short opposite long. And the sun comes out in the dash and the moon comes out in the night. Night opposite. We have to write. Night is underlined there. The sun comes out in the dash. When does sun come? That we have to write there. And the moon comes out at night. We can see moon at night. We have to write the opposite of night. Night opposite day. And one more I left. See previous one. E. Please put the wet clothes out to dash. Please put the wet clothes out to dash. Wet opposite we have to write. Wet. Wet opposite. Wet opposite dry. D-R-Y. Dry. Wet opposite dry. And next one. You are too dash. You need to run fast to win the race. You are too dash. You have to run fast to win the race. Fast is underlined there. Right. Fast is underlined there. Fast opposite slow. Fast opposite slow. Okay. Next. The rich man gave the dash man some money. Rich is underlined there. Rich. The rich man gave the dash man some money. Rich opposite poor. Right. Rich opposite poor. is underlined there. Right. It is too hot today. Please bring some dash water. Hot opposite. Just now we told. Hot tea and cold ice cream. Hot opposite cold. Next. Jim is dash, but his brother is very dash. Sorry. Jim is fat, but his brother is very dash. Fat. Fat is given there. Right. Fat opposite. You have to find out from the books. Fat. Fat opposite thin. Right. Thin. Thin. See, this activity you have to do it in your workbook itself. Okay, you have to complete in workbook, and your homework is to color the words which has short e sound. This is your homework, page number 8 from workbook. Okay, and page number 9. These answers I will send along with this video. You have to fill in the textbook in your workbook. Okay.